And we'll take one more ride. Doors open. Alright, this is the travelator at IKEA in Lakeside, an EV travelator. That's the upstairs. Let's go to ground floor, floor 0. Shocking, but the lift isn't working. As you can see, there's the lift, but today, as you can probably tell by the poster over there, it says, oops, something's gone wrong. We hope that the lift is going to be back to normal. Well, it might not. So it's out of service today. Never mind that. We are riding the. This is 2 down travelators. There's no up travelator. This is just the stairs. This is where I like to see the 2 travelators. There's the broken elevator over there. Broken lift, also known. Yeah, it's really nice, you know, to have a going down travelator. I'm going to go back up so we can use this travelator. I go on travelator, I can't use the lift, so I'm having to walk up the stairs. Don't worry, you can just wait there, I'll go down myself. Yeah. I'm going back down. Alright. Shopping trolleys only, but you are also allowed to take. You can use it without. Or you can just take the stairs. The trolley is the easiest way. If you can't hold it longer with your foot, then the travelator is successful. So it's a nice shortcut to go down here. It's a real shame that lift isn't working, because last time I came there in 2021 it was actually working, but this time it's not. Last time I came here in November as well, this wasn't working. Now it is, so that's very nice to say, but it actually does work. This is an EMV travelator, by the way. So yeah, and we'll come out of here, and that's it. Back down 0. And get there. Door close button works. I like that.